Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I'm Trupti, and we are here for a morning maths class. So, children, let's get started. So, today we are going to do decimals again. Decimals is not just a very small topic, there are numerous topics that are, in decimals, which we are learning. So, in today's class, we will be learning about how to convert fractions to the decimals. Now let's see how to do that. So here, let's say the fraction is 3 by 2 and we have to convert this fraction 3 by 2 into decimal. So how you will do it? It's very simple. 3 by 2 means 3 divided by 2. Just do that. 3 divided by 2. So how do we divide? 2 times 1 is 2 here. And then we subtract 3 minus 2 is 1, right? We'll put an extra 0 here and then we will bring it down. Now this has become a 10. When we put an extra 0 here, we put a decimal here. Now 2 times 5 is 10. So this is, answer here is 1.5. So that means 3.2 can be written as 1.5. Yeah. Next one, convert 5 by 2 to decimals. 5 by 2 to decimals. Convert it. So how you have to do is simply 5 divided by 2. Just do 5 divided by 2. Okay, let me do this for you. So here, 2 times 2 is 4. Either you can write here or you can write there. Subtract 1. I'll put an extra 0 because I don't want the remainder. I want the answer in decimal. Okay, because we are converting fractions into decimals. Right, so 2 times 2 is 4, 1 here, bringing down 0, right? If I put an extra 0, I have to put a decimal here. 2 times 5 is 10. Yeah, subtract 0, 0. I want the remainder to be 0, but answer should be, the question should be in decimal because that's our question. So here 2.5 is the answer. That means 5 by 2 can be written as 2.5. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Please do this. How do we convert 7 by 2 to decimals? Convert 7 by 2 to decimal. Just do 7 divided by 2. That's it. So here, for 7 by 2, just divide 7 by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. We got 1 as the remainder, but to get the answer in decimal, we need to put an extra 0 here and a decimal here, 0. 2 times 5 is 10. So this is 3.5. The answer is 3.5. Okay. 3.5 is the, conversion of 7.2. 7 by 2, sorry. Okay. Next one, 11 by 2. Convert 11 by 2 into decimal. Convert 11 by 2 to decimal. Relationship. 11 by 2 to decimals. So again, the same thing, 11 divided by 2. I hope it's done. So 2 times 5, how many 2s in 11? 5 2s in 11, like we can put a 10. Here 2 times 5 is 10, subtract, got 1. I'll put an extra 0 over here because I want the answer in decimal, putting an extra 0. bringing it down. And as I have put an extra 0 here, I have to put a decimal here. So 2 times 5 is 10 again here. 0, 0. So our answer is 5.5. That means 11 by 2 is written as 5.5. Okay? This is 11 by 5 now. Convert 11 by 5 into decimals. Convert 11 by 5 to decimals. Okay, so let's do it. So, you have to divide. It's simple. 11 divided by 5. So 5 times 2 is 10, right? We do not need the answer in remainder in whole number. We just want the question to be in decimal. So I'll put an extra 0 and put a decimal here. So as soon as you put an extra 0, you have to put a decimal on top. So now 5 times 2 is 10. So my answer is 2.2. It's 2.2. Okay? 2.2 is the answer. Yeah. Next one. Here we go. 15 by 4. Convert 15 by 4 to decimals. Convert 15 by 4 to decimals. Simply 15 divided by 4. So let's see how we can do it. 15 divided by 4. Yeah. So 4 times 3 is 12, right? 3 remainder, but I don't want the remainder as whole number. I want remainder as 0. Okay, so I'll put an extra 0 here, a decimal here, bringing down 0. Now, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. I'm still getting 2. I'll put one more 0. Now, putting one more 0 doesn't mean you have to put the decimal again. No, it's just for the first time. So here, 4 fives are 20. Now, my answer is 3.75. 3.75. That's how you have to divide. I hope it's clear to you. Let's do this. 23 divided by 4. 23 divided by 4. 23 divided by 4. So here, how do you do it? 4 times 5 is 20. 3 over here. I'll put an extra 0. I'll bring it down. As I have put an extra 0, I'll put a decimal here. 4 times 7 is 28. Again, 2 here, an extra 0. Putting it down, 4 times 5 is 20. So here, the answer is, like how I can write 23 by 4 is 5.75. 5.75. Okay? If you are getting the same answer, that means good. You're doing a great job. If not, then try to, focus more. And children, as you know that we are live on YouTube, Make sure you ask your doubts if you have any, and the ones who will watch this video later on, you can, put your doubts in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. Okay, convert 23 by 4 to decimals. I guess we have done this. Okay, so we'll not do this again. 23 by 5 this time. 23 by 5. Convert 23 by 5 to decimal. 23 by 5 to decimal. So I hope it's done. So 5 times 4 is 20. 3 here. Okay. Put a 0. Bring it down. 5 times. Okay, now I have put a 0. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay. Yeah. So 4.6 is like the decimal, the way to write 23 by 5 in decimal. That's how you can write. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. 28 by 5. 28 by 5. Convert 28 by 5 to decimals. Okay, so let's see how to do it. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. 3 here. Putting an extra 0. Putting a decimal here. Bringing it down. 5 times 6 is 30. Yeah. So the answer here is 5.6. 5.6. Okay. For the previous one, it was 4.6, 23 by 5. This is 5.6, 28. 38 by 5. 38 by 5. Let's do this last question for the day. 38 by 5. So here, 5 times 7 is 35. Yeah, 3 here, bringing an extra 0 down, putting a decimal here. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, so this is 7.6. 4.6, 4.6, 5.6, and 6, 7.6. So a coincidence, yeah. So that's how you have to convert a fraction into decimal. Okay, you just have to divide and you're all done. So yes, children, that's all for our today's class. Thank you so much for joining the session. Hope you understood the concept. I'll see you again super soon in the next class. By the time, take care, have fun, and keep practicing. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.